स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम जया एंड आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे सीबीएसई क्लास 11 की स्नैपशॉट्स के चैप्टर्स जो कि हम आने वाले टाइम में पढ़ने वाले हैं। तो चलिए एक बार इसके सारे चैप्टर्स को पढ़ लेते हैं, देख लेते हैं। फर्स्ट चैप्टर है द समर ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल वाइट हॉर्स। सेकेंड चैप्टर द एड्रेस। Chapter 3 Ranga's marriage. Chapter 4 Albert Einstein at school. Chapter 5 Mother's Day. Chapter 6 The Ghat of the Only World. Snapshot का Chapter 7 है Birth. Chapter 8 है The Tale of Melon City. क्लास 11 की हॉर्नबिल की बुक। अब उसमें देखते हैं चैप्टर 1 क्या है, द पोर्ट्रेट ऑफ अ लेडी। चैप्टर 2 वी आर नॉट अफ्रेड टू डाई इफ वी कैन ऑल बी टुगेदर। चैप्टर 3 डिस्कवरिंग टट द सागा कंटिन्यूस। चैप्टर 4 लैंडस्केप ऑफ द सोल। चैप्टर 5 द एलिंग प्लैनेट द ग्रीन मूवमेंट्स रोल। Chapter 6 The Browning Version. Chapter 7 The Adventure and Chapter 8 Silk Road. Hornbill gives students a detailed idea about the language and helps in a quick understanding of the subject. Each school has a team of specialized professionals who find solution to every question and deliver an easy understanding of the subject. The dedication of the teachers and their grip over the language will help students improve their linguistic skills. Class 11th English Hornbill has both prose and poems. Every question is provided with an explanatory answer. Also with these several MCQs will test the verbal ability of students. Now read the short summary of the chapter first, the portrait of a lady. In the first chapter of English Hornbill, students get an idea about the bond between the author and his grandmother. The prose describes his childhood and the changes that come when he moves into the city and his grandmother's subsequent death. The author explains the heartfelt experience of living with his grandmother and cherishes all the memories that he experienced with her. The author uses several metaphors like the words young and pretty as he talks about his grandmother's daily activities. Chapter 2 We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. This chapter talks about the various struggles that a group of people face against the water and waves in order to survive. The narrator along with his family and crew members sailed their ship, and after a few days they start experiencing annihilating problems. There are about 18 questions in this chapter. Discovering Tut the saga continues. In this chapter, students get to know about the mysterious circumstances behind the death of King Tut. The various assumptions made around the death of King Tutankhamun are also mentioned. The Chinese art has been contrasted in this chapter along with European art view. A detailed comparison has been given for students to understand the two art forms clearly. Chapter 5 The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role. The declining condition of the Earth and issues that it is facing today has been portrayed amazingly in this chapter. The four biological systems, fisheries, forests, grasslands and croplands have been demonstrated. Chapter 6 The Browning Version. This chapter has a heart-to-heart discussion about the challenges that a fifth grader faces over choosing science as a subject. A free-flowing conversation starts between the young student and his teacher that keeps the readers captivated. Chapter 7 The Adventure. A transitioning experience between two young people has been discussed in the story, giving very detailed attention to a historical event. Chapter 8 Silk Road. In this chapter, students get to know about the history of the Afro-Eurasian mass, which is named after the Silk Passage. Hornbill Poem. A photograph. The laburnum top. The voice of the rain. Childhood, father to son. Woven words, short stories, The Lament, A Pair of Mustachios. The Rocking Horse Winner, The Adventure of the Three Gary Dips, Papachi's Moth, The Third and Final Continent, Glory at Twilight, The Luncheon. Woven words essay, the third and final continent, my watch, my three passions, patterns of creativity, tribal words, what is a good book, the story, and bridges. Woven words poetry, the peacock let me not to the marriage of two minds coming, telephone conversation, the world is too much with us, mother tongue, hawk roosting, for Elkna, refugee blues, falling of the banyan tree, ode to a nightingale, Asmal and the tigers. English long reading text or novel, The Canterville Ghost, and second, Up from Slavery. English reading passages for comprehension, factual passages, discursive passages, passages for note making and summarizing. English writing, notices, posters, advertisements, letter writing, business, official letters, letters to the editor, application for a job, letter to school or college, authorities, long composition, narratives, report writing, speech, articles. English grammar, determiners, tenses, tenses in conditional sentences, present tense, past tense, future tense, clauses, modals, active and passive voice. So friends, here is a syllabus for English class 11 CBSE, and for class 12 we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, be happy, keep smiling, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.